Today's world runs on the cloud, whether it is streaming, AI, business, or even banking. So, here at S-VYASA deemed to be University MCA program, we teach students to build their career in cloud.
Innovation needs right skills, and cloud computing is a very powerful skill which is required in today's world.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Geethanjali B, Assistant Professor from S-VYASA deemed to be University, and I have 7 years of academic and research experience.
Hi everyone, my name is Akshata Ritesh, Assistant Professor, S-VYASA deemed to be University. I have 5 years of teaching experience and 8 years of industry experience.
Our MCA program at S-VYASA deemed to be University builds professionals who can drive the next wave of transformation of the technology.
This program also equips students with both technical skills and real-world applicability, especially the specialization of cloud computing and DevOps.
Our MCA program at S-VYASA deemed to be University, including the specialization of cloud computing and DevOps, not only gives the learning experience, it is also built on the project-driven and hands-on technologies.
In the cloud computing specialization, we offer subjects like Principles of Virtualizations, Fundamental of Cloud Technology, Cloud Architecture and Design, Developing Applications on Clouds. These subjects are also supported with lab as well as industry-ready case studies.
S-VYASA deemed to be University located inside the tech park is a great advantage and a greater advantage of the experience that it will be giving to the students, because students would be experiencing the real industries and they'll be interacting with the HRs of the industries, and they'll also be having the HR talks and the industry-oriented projects.
We align our teaching into the global standard certifications like AWS, Azure, Kubernetes, etc. So this will make the students not just industry ready but also deployment ready.
So as told, it is inside the tech park. So the tech park also provides a real industries wherein they'll also be participating in the startups as well as internships that is provided with the industries.
There is a high demand for cloud computing specialization in startups, MNCs, and cloud service providing companies. So cloud is not just a career, it is an ecosystem of opportunities.
With sound knowledge in cloud computing technology, students can build their career in many different kind of roles. Roles such as cloud computing engineer, virtualization engineer, cloud security, and Docker specialists.
So join us at S-VYASA to build a career in cloud computing, to develop a skill that the world is looking for.
If you love technology, innovation, and solving real-world problems, cloud is your playground. So come join S-VYASA deemed to be University and create the best career opportunities. Thank you.